Hello everyone. Today we are going to do some interesting activities with magnets. Uh, I have these small little magnets. Actually, these magnets I have taken out of uh, different speakers, microphones, speakers of mobile phones. So there are so many small tiny magnets. These are all disc magnets. So I have taken these out from different old mobile phone speakers. Some of those were the Chinese mobile phones, which were kind of known for their huge loud sound. And these are tiny, but these are very strong magnets. And as you might know that these disk magnets would have two faces, and one of their faces act as north of a magnet and another as a south of a magnet. So this together forms a magnet with one of the faces acting as north, other acting as south. I don't know which one is right now, north or south. We'll get to know it soon. So what I'm trying to do here is I am uh, trying to make a needle out of magnetic needle out using this, and in a very simple way. So what I'm doing, I'm using a screw and another screw, so we can easily see if I keep this set of magnets over the ground. Let's see what happens. So you see this, I try to rotate it in some direction, but it comes in one particular direction. I try to rotate it, it comes in one direction. I try to rotate it in another direction. I try to rotate 180 degree almost, and again it comes back. So why is it doing? As you may know that due to Earth's magnetic field, this uh, magnet, these set of magnets are trying to align accordingly with its north and south pointing along the line of the along the magnetic lines of the Earth. So aligning towards the north and south, magnetic north and south of the Earth. So very simple. I have put some powder just to reduce the friction, and I was trying to also add some thread to this side, so it becomes like, actually it was the other side was heavier, so I tried to add thread to just balance it at, so that it can move freely. I have another couple of interesting magnets. You see these tiny little pieces. These are also uh, part of magnets. These are again the magnets taken out from old mobile phone speakers. If you see these clearly, this is a part of a larger ring sort of magnets, and all these are tiny pieces of ring magnets. Now interestingly, if I, let us say, try to say I join two of these magnets, and okay, let us say I move away all the other pieces and try to put this magnet. Okay, maybe we have to zoom in a bit. So if you see now, I try to rotate it in any direction, it very fast comes up in the same direction, in some direction. So earlier you were seeing your thing pointing. Okay, I can bring that also maybe, but it shouldn't impact there. So it's also pointing in one particular direction. I can move the other things away. So you see there is a direction it's pointing, and which is like the magnetic, you can say, the, the line of direction. And I mark this as a line, let us say. If you notice, uh, let us say I mark a line here, and I try to align this. Then this is also, because it's north and south is this way, so that's why it's aligned in this direction. So you see this very tiny little magnet, how it immediately aligns itself and looks so amazing. I have not suspended it through thread, uh, I have not done anything else, just kept it on ground, making sure that there is less of friction and it can rotate freely on the floor. And it, in any other direction, like suppose it is in this direction, I try to rotate 180-degree, and let us say, okay, it does show some friction, but let me see. Okay, I try 90-degree, it comes back. I try 180-degree, it comes back. So interesting and fun activities with magnets, and these magnets actually working as magnetic compass.